Hello everyone. Today I will bring you a tutorial that demonstrates the use of two different methods to rig Metahuman characters. One method is to use Metablriger for rigging, and the other method is to use the Autorig service that comes with UE5.6. Then at the end of the video, the effects of the two rigs are compared. Give everyone a reference. Next we enter the tutorial. First we import the model. This is the model I prepared in advance. This is a good model of wrap. Yes. Used in the previous Metablriger version 2.0 tutorial. We just brought it back here. Then eyeball. Eyeballs, teeth, etc. All are Metahuman LOD0 data. I've aligned them in advance. You can take a look at its coordinate system. They are all in the local coordinate system. Y-axis upward. It's 90 degrees here. Then their locations are all 0. Next. We separate the mesh of head and body together into the head and body. We select it. Then click Separate Active Object to Body Head. OK, the following plugin will help us divide it. After the division, we'll bind. We choose the head. Left eye. Right eye. Teeth. Then set the path to the DNA. In fact, the left and right teeth are optional. Just set the header to generate DNA. We set the GRI size to 32. Then click Generate DNA. DNA will be generated at this time. We read this DNA. It takes about 20 seconds to wait. We hide the previous head model. Then our rig will be generated. We can simply test the binding effect. We want to hide these models. Binding is normal. Next we will bind our body. We choose the body. Then select Build Body Rig. Then select Align Same Bones between head and body. Then select Generate Body DNA. Set the name to Body. This way we'll complete the binding. We export the head and body data. We can take a look. There is a seam problem with this piece. We are going to fix this seam. We select this head. You can see that the two materials of the head and body have different parameters. So let's adjust their parameters to the same. Let's delete it and create a new one. Okay, similar to us, we put the body material ball. Create a new one. Let's smooth our head and body. We can still see the seams. We choose Fix Seam Normal and ADD Vortex Color. OK. At this time, there is no joint in the body. Next, we export. We select the model to export. Then choose Export. Next, we export the body. We put our body's model as a skeleton subobject. Then select Body. Select the skeleton. Then click Export. Good. In this way, our work in Blender is done. Next way. Open a UE project. We still use the ARKit demo project here. After the project is opened, we start to demonstrate how to bind in the engine. Create a new file of type Metahuman character and name it GUI Unreal. And then we are going to. The 4 model meshes used for binding are imported. Back to Blender. Select the head. Let's export the head. Similarly, we export the body. This grid. This place is called body. After exporting, we import it in. Select body, head, import all these in. Here offset rotation is set to 90. Then check here. Import static meshes. Elsewhere. No need to import materials. No need to import that. Then click Import. OK, so we'll import it. Save it. We select Body and click Conform from Template. Select Body Template. This static mesh. Let's choose the first one here. Select Import. Then we come to the beginning and choose the Conform. Select from Template here, select None here, select Head Template. Similar engines are actually not available here. But we all brought it in, so we chose it. Left eye, right eye, teeth, click Conform. OK, so we are done. We can take a look at the skin. Then we click Create for Rig. Here I made a fast forward of 10 times. After Rig is created, we click Download 2K resolution textures. Then we come to the Assemble option. Select Assemble. Playback at 10x speed is also performed here. In this way, we have exported this character into the engine. Save it. I will see that there is already this character under the Metahumans folder. Next, we put our blender. Import the exported FBX into the engine. We choose Import. Let's import the header first. Next, set this to 0. Then the skeleton is set to this. Uncheck Import Static Meshes. No need to change anything else. Click Import. Then we introduce DNA into him. Select Head. It should be noted that the skeletal mesh here is Head, then click Port. Save it. Double-click. Select Window. Select Details. Let's set the Animation Post Blueprint to Face Post Process. Animation Rig, set to face Control Board Control Rig. Change Recalculate Normals to Use Green Channel. Close Save. Next, we import the body. Choose Metahuman Base Scale here. No other changes are needed. Click Import. Then Metahuman DNA selects Body DNA. Pay attention here to select Body. Then click Import. Save something like this. Let's set up the Animation Post-Production Blueprint for him. This choice Metahuman Control Rig. Post-Process Animation Blueprint Selection. ABP Body. Select Save. Next, we copy this character blueprint here. Then rename it. Called BP GUU2. We can't use it. Keep first. Us. Face is set to Head. Body. Select Body here. Recompile it. Close Reopen. This is the character we bound with Blender. Let's set the material for him. Search this first. This is heads. Choose head first. The other material settings later are similar. So I'm going to fast forward here. Then we create a level sequence called Compare. We drag them all into the scene. Let them all. Rotate 90 degrees. Let's reset the position first. Here you can see some differences. UE5.6 binding. Its World Coordinate Center is here, but the effect of Blender binding. Its World Coordinate origin is here. We put them into level sequence. Then we animate their faces. We import facial animation. This ROM animation was demonstrated in previous tutorials. How to get ROM animations can be seen before. On the right is the result of UE5.6 binding. On the left is the effect of Metablriger binding. We can compare. it can be seen that the effect of UE5.6 binding is better on closing eyes. Next, test the binding effect of the body. Let's select this ROM animation and select Retarget. Then select Export Animations. Then click Export. We also need to redirect to GUI Unreal. The exported animation is in the content directory. Play it and find that the height is inconsistent. Move it down a little. I don't know why this problem occurs with Unreal's binding. That question just now. Suddenly getting high after loading the animation. It's very likely that it's the coordinate origin is not in this place. Of course, this is just my guess. It's not necessarily correct. Play and compare the effects. For example here, there is something wrong with the animation of UE5.6. Unreal generates something wrong. But there is no problem with the binding generated by Blender. If you know what the problem is causing it, please leave a message in the comment area. If you do not want your data to be uploaded to the server, and if you want to avoid physical binding, then you can choose Metablriger to bind. And we found that the same animation was in this frame. The twisted curve of the body is also different. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.